Alright, Abusafo, Ghana Sen TV, best rest. We best subscribe to the channel for my doing brown comment section. Yamisha.
Abusia so we no a MPP Judas kene Agyapong ko Tarkwa nso ayi mu koye campaign na nsem e course wo ho ani enyan a sefem se bi air time na de bia ye ka se papa we MPP ho do afiri de mu opese wo ku MPP opese wo se MPP enye otan bi ne time nti ne ka so na emom ne nsem kaye ene ne ye eniema a wo ye nsem a wo kam edi mpapa mu ba party ni mu edi tension edi atutwasem e ba party mu eno and ye gina so edeka ensem a ya ka no you see me ma ensem wa wo de hwe video no wi a bra ne ending kom very important MPP hu donti
the Simunya Kukudro. There is no man here stronger than Kennedy Agyapong. And this time, this is the first time I'm going to prove to them. If they are men, let them try 31st January and they'll see what will happen. Make a mistake. When we have mistake, 31st January, when they use a memo or Ghana, let them try 31st January and they will see what will happen. Choboy, my edi, and a Korean and my edi, but me a Kosovo Takwahan, Minimunina, when we are let them try it and they will see what will happen. 31st January.
Abusia asefem MPP Judas is full of tension. He is full of violence. Just say deep-seated hatred. Emma MPP MPs, former MPs. MPP executives are one supporting no. So one supporting away and a time for. Any opportunity will be or be launching attacks on you. Or be born training or be threatening you. Mom just any workers. Can such a person lead MPP? Munkai President Kofu Asemo Awokai. Or see MPP see a quack with you be a DN, you make sure say. You be a full of tension. And this is the character he was referring to. This is the kind of character President Kofu no advising MPP for say, my and Kotuaba and you be a watesa. Will be our own supporting now we are in the town for any opinion or be attack you or be threatening. She woka sakra won't mean home. But what I say we bema obedience abo musu say pum ubewu but she na ya better mo say bema meanwhile internal elections nobody is doing anything to delegate but rather he will create tension. He will create false intimidations against unknown delegates and supporters in order to make such unfortunate statements and attack people. I say intimidation or betting me, and I won't answer from how Dr. Baumia a campaign. Dr. Baumia say, and you'll be an best support me. But the two abani I will need everybody. And regardless of the fact I won't support me, no, me campaign, I make can you meet me, I remember and attack you. I won't attack you because after elections, I should be able to call you so that we come together and prosecute the agenda as a party and win 2028 elections. MPP delegates me busamo. Agyapong can he so be a flag bearer can he call me kuduka and then the supporters more Tarkwa so him so when campaign man be president he cannot do that because what they say one party no Tarkwa so him honom no kuduka clearly he has majority of the people there, a lot of people there support him, they look up upon him as a figure or the hope drum or shom or boom emo mabrabo ekoso who's born in training. Do you think say nechita for obe flag bearer or mobile to abamo they won't vote for you? So that is what MPP delegates you should be conscious of. Say nipa or no or ye violent can Agyapong or watch say or ye violent or ye pipe munipa or you be a one of the award in training and the politics. You guys should reject him. He can never help the party. Abusianfo so fellas Pacho for see a Minister of State at the Presidency in charge of government communications. So on the Kasama President Mahama. Then on Metro TV Good Morning Ghana Wakasa or CMPP CPC unit 2028 elections now. I just hear the Judas can Agyapong Abbas your flag bearer. Now NDC and then can see in 2028 Of a sort and say what do MPP party nation or no political party NDC na obese NDC na ne tumi ma nti wo kire yen candidate a wo best a obetimi age tumi afiri ono ne party NDC nsem e dey ama MPP like that make sense. Who fellows go to social send your ho ayefe just any you skin crack to look at the luxury you are living in, expensive new cars, brand new cars I was driving, and then because I'm a baby show PA ne topa say we are seeing I would do what and you are telling us say what time who so much so that who possess our luxury ni or there were woody in a oshre who possess party free a bear now lose position now lose cars in this canity who advise MPP fire a befaso I did to me about political party like does it make sense. So same way, another man same way. One I obey to me at the other. It will only sway the minds of the gullible. Be a sabi boni nyansan. But I know the MPP delegates. Majority of them are discerning and they are not going to fall for this cheap lies. They know say NDC and supporting in Agyapong. We invest a lot of time on resources. In fact, I'm dedicated on social media team. No, I'm a Agyapong. Criticize do accounts. Baby, I for TikTok, Facebook. Your campaign market in Agyapong. Who posted Dr. Baumia picture, no my baby attack you. Or can't in Agyapong and say, man, no my baby attack you. And we know the entire key personalities in NDC, including Kevin Taylor. Your campaign market in Agyapong. It's because they know say MPP at the Agyapong, but a very cool chop on my NDC. They will win the elections without breaking a sweat. A bear walk in the park for them. Really easily. Because the kind of things that they have on Agyapong. What they can in Japan, but in less than 24 hours, they will collapse MPP. Your campaign, they will collapse our campaign way ahead of time. And you can't say any more about him now. And yes, I videos here I play on social media. What did you matter? What they must see? Did you matter? What did you have for them? Did you lawyer for them? Did you judge for them? Did you farmers at any move? And ya mess while the case here or they are free, they are waiting to bring it up. And ya there are things, contracts and corruption. May say hey, some of the things I was telling people that some of the things that make cry me walk. That make us say me there, but what yeah, and people never do MPP anymore. So sometimes now, yeah, cheap break it. You see, and this is for no more so Dr. Baumia because someone will say. Economy or more bomb for him. Yeah, they Dr. Baumia, but they cannot do that. I didn't hear because there are documentary evidence. NDC are buying Sankasa, Anna Aka, Bank of Ghana, governors, Mahama appoint to Omaka. I say exchange rate, CDI, and answer Dr. Baumia. Rich ideas, inflation about from Dr. Baumia. And they are afraid they say 2028, you're quite elections, you know. Near this hard document in a barb on Tiam. I remember Ghana for him who say, COVID, I buy a best say you see a big Ghana and a Madia too. Dr. Baumia granted the idea say by am I recover from that economic, global economic problems. They know, say Baumia is a threat. That's why they are doing that Omoya campaign here, Dr. Baumia. MPP for let's wise up. Let's wise up. Yeah, to Obama, Dr. Baumia, he's the only person who betting to me and mine. Don't waste time on any other kind.
Your motivation factor na the joining MPP. Enye sika o. Say your sorry be jam app you so no pay we anwumre no. Eya na ye binum adwen say your motivation factor ye sika there be. Ye mu binimu your motivation factor nti a ye de join the party no. E kasa no pay we anwumre ye kwon tintin enye sika. Said the obatimi share be ma no do no because of odo no. Oye ne den kro odo no enye ne sika no oni anase hwa won hwe ne ti no do no. Saa na ye nso ye do MPP no because of ideology no. Enti ne do MPP. O yo ba penny. Mami ba time pa awo party ni mo. E ma kan tin kam ye ensia ko wu o. Enwak. When to me anya press conference and condemn government no. Modus operandi o mo de selection when to me and condemn wo. Anka ho asem. Hwede wo ye. Hwede wo ye. Eti woni wo Kennedy Agyapong no da ben na mobile press conference akasa tia NDC amamo bone o mubu sisi Yes, papa be the Vama was a woman was a leben. Papa be the Vama was a woman was a leben. What throw on the Facebook say under Kufu I don't know. None Diana no high no to ya 10,000 Ghana cedis. And ne under John Mahama $11 cedis no. O to ya 17,000. And so Kufu Ado hono. And $16 cedis no. No one some more throw ho. Can a Japan I ran out to she it move something wrong with NDC I'm one number can wasem. Ah? Can a Japan? O see John Mahama better than 10 months no 10 months in who anything wrong with it. And until I won't can wasem. Voma wo no ye NDC ni na John Mahama man appointment no. Onu mpo abeka say tia John Mahama ni NDC am mo boni ayekoso. A question how the dollar is low but things are still skyrocketing. This is who and what we call objective minded free independent speech. I don't know. Huh? And this is for John Mahama catch them say on oba 24-hour economy. Oba you know. Police for a soldier for a teacher for my friend say a nurse for fire service for na kufu ado afọ or pamu omu nyina kwotena afie or pamu omu kwotena afie no and on sign ton forms over 20,000 forms say oba be fe nipa 2,000 and nipa 2,000 wako kumu miensa insia e de aya kwankyere Arenato shi when who sa asem we hu asem anka NDC for and the Kufuado just 10 months ago 9 months ago 11 months ago 12 months ago e catch the Kufuado say owu or private presidential jet man na yeden and who here say Ghana better presidential jet e kukru $1.2 billion e kwa koto presidential jet Muti ho Arenato shi who sign answer we enkase ntia Ghana for say John Mahama enya woni ese du nketia na mokache Ghana for say Akufuado dware o play mu no live lavish life o live luxurious life o dware o play mu enti no NDC for sensuo ton Ghana mpo a ma Ghana for sensuo ni bi nom no mo sensuo ni bi nom a Akufuado nsuo wa dware enti na ba for mutima Ghana for sensuo ni bi nom say don't get any NDC for say no more koto 2 presidential jet 1.2 billion. Now we are seeing in the pan who ye most important pa Cristiano Ronaldo no kwa private jet na 1.2 billion. Cristiano Ronaldo mpo ono mpo ne private jet 1.2 billion. John Mahama de ye ntimi fa no konto to President Bush President Trump because on men kra he doesn't even qualify to clean his shoe because nyansa e free nyansa ye dey dwen critically echichire o man no John Mahama ni bi say John Mahama wo nyansa na ye de dwen critically echichire o man a nko ma kan kire Ghana for say 24-hour economy no cash or the sika e ba be shemu no enya ban sika no de ba be shemu me wan no akasetia one district one factory Kufuado ka say oh yeah a private partnership with the government no the oba or the aban sika e na ba be share a 24-hour economy. Obetina so we ya wo say enya ban sika. Na fe o minister for employment to say don no so betina say 24-hour economy na mka asem be enya ban sika na mode ba be yo. Na me go fi buacha meti me sika na mode jama mabo bodam wo ho. Arenato she went me enya sansem we nyina bia ho anka ho asem. Na party na ya build ya bre ma kansem agu party na ni maza afi de wasem a wo kan say ye to abani we afi na mo san ko fa video aba. Your bow. Yeah, mammy. It's me cassa mean chow and your cassachi. Your boo pa. Now so she. Men and I uncle man a can assem. A sick I am men cassent our bar. To make us saying na me cassin my measured. But one shinny ye be a man and I no be awful. Because Mumubi. My benefit to a part in him. The money no, monko. O your bay dear, meja wa mame Ghana jollof ono ba be dele no smoothness level oba to oba me nua obi nso nka bi
Yo, yeah, that's it. Mr. T. Good morning. Mr. T, what's me can?
Good morning, Abusiafo.
Yeah.
Yeah, Metonka. Good morning, Abusiafo.
Yeah, Joso can.
Good morning, Abusiafo. I'm sorry to buy my feedback.
Yeah, it's your best marker.
Okay. May 5 akwanya we so achia watiefo nyina ene ahwefo mo hweye wo FYP. Nyame nka wo so ho wa hodene ne nimdie ne nyansa wo de ama wa odi di dwuma kase ama osono ama nyuko kukuruko no. Ene Dr. Mahmoud Baomia. Nyame nka wo ho pa.